Let's go ahead and move into step 2, which is creating the firewall within Hostinger. For this step, let's begin by switching back over to our Hostinger tab here. Then go down and click into Security. Click on Firewall. Then go down and click on Firewall right here. For the name, I'll just name this NemoClaw Firewall and click Create. Then to edit this firewall, go to the right side here and click on these 3 dots. Click on Edit. Then let's go down here and add in 2 different firewall rules. For the action, leave this on Accept. Then for the protocol, change this to TCP. For the port, change it to 80. And then for the source, change this to Anywhere. Click on Add Rule. Then we'll add in 1 more. For the protocol, set this to TCP again. For the port, change this to 443. Source to Anywhere. And click Add Rule. Now with those 2 rules added, let's scroll up to the top, click on the back button, and then turn the firewall on. Click on Activate. And now wait here for 1 to 2 minutes for everything to sync up properly with your VPS. And once you see this message right here, that means that everything has been synchronized properly.